Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And welcome to the tri-state area near Harrogate, Tennessee. You say tri-state area? Well, just over those mountains and off in that direction, about 3 miles in one direction, you're in the state of Virginia. 3 miles the other direction, you're in the state of Kentucky. And of course, I'm standing right here in the state of Tennessee. We're actually on the campus of Lincoln Memorial University, a small university that's been here for years and years, and is a beautiful place to visit. But another place that you're going to want to stop and make a visit to is this. Behind us here, this is the Abraham Lincoln Library and Museum. Who knew it was here? Is it worth the trip? Is it worth stopping? You betcha it is. In fact, what do you say? You join me. We'll go in and take a little tour. Abraham Lincoln was this country's 16th president, serving from 1861 to 1865, when, of course, in April of 1865, he was assassinated by John Wilkes Booth. The museum is primarily, of course, dedicated to Abraham Lincoln, but there is a section on the first floor dedicated to Lincoln Memorial University, home of the museum. And Lincoln Memorial University has been around a long time and has a rich history in medical studies. In the meantime, along the first floor, just about anything and everything you ever wanted to know about Abraham Lincoln is here. From his boyhood days, they've even got a piece of wood from the cabin that he was born in Hardin County, Kentucky. Now, throughout the museum, lots of memorabilia related to the Civil War. Of course, Lincoln is most noted for guiding us through the Civil War times in 1861 to about 1864 or so. There's actually a place in the museum called the Civil War Gallery where you'll learn more and more about the war between the North and the South. Something, too, that was kind of interesting that I ran across was Lincoln in the movies. No, Abraham Lincoln wasn't an actor, but it shows you how many different movies and films have been dedicated to Abraham Lincoln and his history. And boy, history is what this is all about. So if you enjoy history, if you love learning more about Abraham Lincoln and his legacy, you should definitely be checking out this museum. Again, it is 2 levels of exhibits. It's very surprising how large this museum is, and of course it's very friendly to those who may have some mobility issues as well. There is an elevator to take you from the first floor up to the second floor. So I hope you enjoyed our little visit to the Abraham Lincoln Library and Museum located on the campus of Lincoln Memorial University in beautiful Harrogate, Tennessee. Admission, $6 for adults. If you're over the age of 60, you get a senior discount of $5. And I think kids under a certain age, well, absolutely free. Either way you slice it, for that amount of money, oh yeah, there's a huge payoff. Hope you enjoyed it. In the meantime, keep subscribing, keep watching, donate if you like, share if you like, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. Until we do see you that next time, have a great day, better yet, a better tomorrow, and bye now from the tri-state area near Harrogate, Tennessee.